You wave them down, they'll let you on. Just like that. Thank you. Lost my wife. I thought you were right behind me, love.
You always come right behind you.
Going to LABADEE, to the beach, 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 LABADEE. Here we go. Welcome to Haiti and the private port of LABADEE. One thing this cruise hasn't lacked is wind. There's a cafe there. Bar right there. Restrooms. This is the shady way to the beach. You don't have to walk in the hot sun down there. Or you can take one of those trams. Parts of LABADEE people don't usually come to. I'm not sure if these ruins were reconstructed or the original ones. Peek right through there, you can see the water. The Sweets only beach is just beyond that. So probably that's why it's cut off. But you used to be able to walk all the way along here. And there's more ruins up that way. You can walk back to where those people are way down there. But if you come down this path, it'll lead you right back to the sand, the beach level. Kind of steep, an uneven terrain though, so keep that in mind. Very pretty though. And here's the public transportation. Tram via tractor. If you're at the Sweet Beach, you get a personal little shuttle. Barefoot Beach, Nellie's Beach. I think Barefoot Beach is the sweet beach. That's what I call it anyway. Columbus Beach, Nellie's Beach, Barefoot Beach. Beach loungers for two, Adrenaline Beach, water slide, the coaster, the kayak adventure, aqua park, and the market all down here. Number 16. All right. So this is reserved for the sweet guests, Barefoot Beach, or if you buy a cabana. I've been in there before. Check out my one video where we went and had an over the water cabana. I'll link it in the description above. They're waving down, they'll let you on. Just like that. Thank you. Oh, I thought you were right behind me. Lost my wife. I thought you were right behind me, love.
You always see them right behind you.
There's the cabanas for two. They're like $100 for the day, something like that. Got some games over here, people playing beanbag toss. And here we are. This is Columbus Beach, I believe. This is Nellie's Beach. Nellie's Beach and Columbus is next door. And all the lounges and umbrellas you see are included. That's a shade. Morning.
How you doing today?
Good, and yourself?
I'm doing good. How many with you?
Just two.
All right, we want to stay sun.
Shade. That's a choice. It's okay, love? Oh, that's fine. I'll figure it out. Thank you very much. So just a note, everything's free here, but the attendants wait around to get a tip. I think they're local people. So if you don't mind tipping, they're here for a tip. They will provide some service, but just say no thank you and find your own chair if you need to. Otherwise, they will wait around. How do you like your Coco Loco? Labadoozy.
Good, it's strong.
Yeah.
It's a doozy.
It's a doozy, Labadoozy. It's got a lot of rum. What flavors would you say that is? Strawberry, mango?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. All I taste is rum. So you can see the trams going by over there as you walked up into this beach area. We're sitting over there. Nice beach here. I believe this is Nellie's Beach. Columbus Cove is around the corner where all the water toys are. There's a bar over here. I believe there's a restaurant in this area. I think it might be this way in Columbus Cove, but Columbus Beach. Yeah, there you go. But I thought I'd take a look in here to see what these look like, because it looks like a lot of them are empty. Gives you an idea what they look like. Get a little love seat here, not love seat, a sectional couch. There'll be a cooler, it'll be full of water, usually popping water, and ice. They'll bring some fruit, they'll bring some things over for you. Big ottoman, two big seats. Chase's umbrella, and it's all covered, and there's even a fan. There's electric, so you can actually do some charging of your devices. This one is the closest to the beach. It has a ramp access if you have accessibility issues, and it's pretty much a zero entry beach from there. It's nice. Like I said, they can be pricey. Prices seem to vary considerably from when we were here a couple of years ago. We had an over the water one. Like I said earlier, link that video below or up above. More like those over there, but around the corner. But a lot of empty ones. I think if they lowered the prices, then maybe they'd have better occupancy. Our ship seems to be the only one in today. So it's what, 2,200 people? That's it. So that leaves a lot of space for us here on the beach. Let's go up here to Columbus Beach. So Columbus Cove, Columbus Beach, Nelly's Beach Cabanas, Kayak Adventures, Water Slide, Flight Lines, Buccaneers Bay, and the aqua parks that way. I believe this is where they have like a ferry to the dock. This is Columbus Cove Beach. It's a bit of a water park, a little water slide. Lots of things to play on. All extras, of course. Looks like snorkeling might not be bad over here, but I believe over by Nelly's, there's good snorkeling there, at least it was last time. I think there's a lot more families on this side. Beautiful though. I did see somebody walk from this direction. I believe one of the restaurants is over here. All the food is brought over from the ship. And we'll be grabbing some lunch soon. Give you an idea what that looks like. Quite nice. And of course lifeguards. All provided by Royal Caribbean. Such a beautiful island with such poverty that goes on in behind it. Not to date myself or to give you an idea of my age, but I was here when it wasn't even developed. There's very little over here, just basically the barbecue area back over there. Even where the pier wasn't here. You had to tender in, and there was even a beach on the point there by the Dragon Breaths Rock, whatever it's called now. It's where the zip line ends now. And then you used to have paths, just natural paths that walked up along the rocks from the old ruins that were here originally. These have all been enhanced, obviously, but it's nice. They did a good job of it. They did a good job of keeping it looking like it was, in my memory anyway, basically like it was. A lot more accessible, a lot more developed, but still a lot of nature around, which is nice. I mean, the views are spectacular, right? So keep that in mind when you come. You can do your own thing. There's an adrenaline zip line. There's the dragon coaster over there. There's water things, water sports, jet skis, everything you want that way, or you can just chill and relax. This little beach here is perfect for that. Very quiet. I don't even think I hear music right there. I think the music is in behind towards the bar and restaurant. Yeah, that's it. We'll get back to the beach here. That's my tour of this area, and we'll see if there's anything else on the other side that sort of spikes my interest to show you later. Christmas time. Is this the other side of the Peninsula Island, whatever you want to call it? Lots of chairs today. I think only because we're in. Oh, just saw the coaster go by right up there. See the track? Did that once. It's fun. Lots of chairs, lots of umbrellas. And then there's the zip line way up the top there. And the zip line goes over the water and down to the Dragon's Point. The floating bar. So there's a bit of a breeze over here. We might park our butts over here, although we might go back to the spot. It is a little nicer in the water over there. The water here looks like not so much sand. It looks like a little bit of sand, but a lot more maybe coral, rougher bottom. Have to check it out. I haven't been in there in a long time. Lunch was okay. Burgers are lukewarm. Chicken's okay. Corn is tough. Didn't have the desserts. Fruits are fruits. So basically it's okay. Nothing spectacular. Don't come to LABADEE for the food. not that great. Come for the beautiful scenery and the nice beaches and waters and some decent snorkeling, I would imagine, although it was a little murky today. It's just a big extension of the ship. Your Sea Pass cards work here for your drink packages. There is a shopping village over there with locals and vendors. You can bring cash, buy things there. Be careful. It's well, they're wanting your business. Let's put it that way. So once you go in, you may never come out, so to speak. You'll come out. Buyer beware. That's it. There's the bus. All aboard for crew was 5 o'clock. All aboard for passengers was 5:30. It's now 5:40, and we're already pulled away from the dock. Very efficient. Tonight it's just me and the maitre d'. Jane's not feeling well. Took her some white food to the stateroom. She had an upset stomach. Just me. About 500 other people. Tonight, Jane isn't with me, so I'm sitting by myself, but I got put on a table in a corner behind the maitre d'. I get the people watch, all the people coming in. Oh, it's not so bad. And I'm starting off with the appetizer of minestrone soup. Looks pretty good. Yep, it's good. Very tasty. And I have a garden salad. Had this about 4 or 5 times, so I know it's good. So this just happened. I'm not sure if he saw that I liked it so much, but he brought me a second dinner even though I said I didn't really need it. I'm definitely going to eat the vegetables. The meat looks amazing. That's a much bigger piece. Pineapple something cake. It's like a custardy cream. Looked at a pineapple there and blueberry or blackberry. Can't really taste the pineapple too much. It's not very overwhelming, that's for sure. And vanilla ice cream. I hear the apple crumble or the apple blossom is really good here. I think Jane had it. Might try it tomorrow. Good night, LABADEE. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Share it with somebody you like, and don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other.